Did you know that many of the items I've listed here in this post are a result of chronic inflammation? And of course, it's due to the foods we eat. We have to change our diet to consume an anti-inflammatory diet. And to start with, I'd like to show you this hibiscus soursop tea recipe, which is made from dried hibiscus. And for my soursop, I added 2 bags of pre-packaged soursop tea. Once it is done boiling, I let it steep for another 10 to 15 minutes. I love for it to get this beautiful wine color. That's how I know I've got a lot of good hibiscus in there. Once that is done steeping, I simply put it into a mason jar and I put it into the fridge in order for it to get cold. It's really, really good. If you want to sweeten it, I use stevia. Let me know what you think.